Watch the full video please.
Dang, sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright, y'all, we got a wave check. Oh, that's a. Oh, yeah, now that I know it's a cat, I had to do this over. Best waves I've ever seen, bro. Hey, man. When I first started TikTok, man, I only seen people with waves, man. I only seen people with long hair turning curls to waves. Now we got aminos with waves, bro. Cats and dogs. TikTok going crazy. You're been sitting here by my boy Tay Dante, you heard? I seen him react to your video, man. I'm about to throw in my 2 cents, give my opinion. Comb the hair out, that's optional, but yeah, I definitely advise you comb it out so you can really get a wash throughout everything. All right, wet the hair, add shampoo. You already know the shampoo don't gotta lather the first time because it's battling the dirt and built up products and everything. Now the second time, I see great lather. All right, a third time, now you washing. Now you washing. Now I want to know if you're gonna go in with a conditioner because you just stripped the whole. I don't know. You stripped all the oils out of your net, like out of your scalp. All the natural oils. I know they gone, but that lather something different though. I know that for sure. But when you wash 3 times, man, you definitely gotta go in with a conditioner, which you didn't do. You feel me? You're going in 3 times with the shampoo, which is bad, but you get a great wash. Definitely gotta go in with that with that conditioner afterwards, man. Yeah, you looking good, man. Looking good. Just lack a little bit of. Start your brush sessions on your right side every time. You tend to spend more time on the side that you start with. Quick tip for you. Yeah, I was just scrolling down my For You page, you feel me? Then I came across this. Poppy Blasted, you feel me? Great lather, alright? I think this is his son. This is great lather right here. I did not think he could take this to another level. But watch this, bro. How in the world can you even get better lather than what you just had on your hair? How? He took that junk to another level that I didn't even know existed because that lather look immaculate. That junk look laid. You can see all the connections, all the definition. Wave check. Wave check. I had to pick up my mic real quick. Let me see the on-rag, man. Woo! Definitely got to work on that crown, man. Close that crown. People won't say that's a bald spot, man. It's not a bald spot. I know. All right? I know. Just got to close it. Going with the soft brush. Why would you start with a soft brush? I don't think you're going to add another brush in there, are you? You should have started with a medium brush, then ended with a soft brush in a plastic bag. But you know what you're doing, though. Just close that crown. Your hair looks like a medium texture type hair, you feel me? Looking dope. Looking dope. No washing style method. This is my boy, man. For those of y'all that don't know, this is my boy on TikTok. He got one of the best lathers on TikTok, man. Second wash, dope lather. Matter of fact, both lathers look good. Both of them. But the second one looks a lot better. Alright, so you're gonna rag up. That's how you're supposed to do it, though. That's how you're supposed to do it. Make sure you rag up. And don't take the do-rag off until the water dries up. Second do-rag, I wouldn't do that. Because that gives people headaches. Like, I be getting headaches when I wear 2 do-rags. They look good to me. Nah, they look good to me. They look good. Alright, so we got a TikTok hoodie on. That jungle hard. We got like a do-rag and another do-rag on. Double compressed and everything. First impression, they look good. Oh yeah, but when we come to the back, it looks a mess back there. The crown looks like it needs a lot of work. But when we go to the right side, looking good again. I see great shine. Yeah, but it's a lot of work needed, man. I know you know that, but yeah, you need a lot of work. The crown in the back area. Yeah, get to work, my boy.
Please tag 360 guys. He must see my ladder.
I see it, man. I see the lather. That doesn't look amazing,
Please
bro.
tag him, guys.
I'm tagged. I
Do
see
you got
it.
any tips for my waves? Because I have Bad waves.
You don't
Please
got no
look at
bad
my
waves, man.
page,
Just
I have
work
bad
on it.
waves.
World/Quaves wash day routine, man. Let's call them Quaves, man. You know I like the Quaves. Go Quaves. What you do? What you just do? You put water in there? Oplex No 3 Hair Perfector. Whoa! I ain't never seen that before. You leave that in for 10 minutes. OGX shampoo 2X. Okay.
Great
Oh,
lather,
yo, he
my
actually
boy.
really brushed that junk, bro. Yo, he go through 10 times. I don't know. He spend way more time washing his hair than I do. It only takes me about an hour and then about 4 hours to dry, but look like it look mad complicated, man. Dang, leaving for 30 minutes. How long it take you to wash your hair? King curls. Matter of fact, maybe he don't gotta wait for it to dry. Maybe he still moisturize his hair while it's still a little damp. I mean, I gotta wait for my junk to dry. I like this process. This is dope. I might grow my hair out and get curls. Turban. Tie your do-rag like a turban. I might just start wearing my do-rag like that because that knot in the back of my hair, bro, that's gonna be hurting sometimes, man. And then I try to do it with the no knot method and that's gonna be falling off when I sleep. Like, bro, this right here, this one right here, I might have to try, man. I might have to give it a try. Matter of fact, I'm gonna learn how to do it. Then if I like it, I'm gonna teach y'all how to do it. Big shout out to House of Brushes, man, for teaching me how to tie my do-rag like this. I'm gonna give this a try. Look at the back. The back look flat and comfortable.